rest of this aromatherapy stress relief candle from Bath and Body Works. I also have to go and get some packages from the mail room or order some stuff from Amazon, and I think one package have arrived. I love how this candle smells, and it's the evening and it's time to just relax. So we've been home for like an hour. I didn't film when we went out because we were just handling personal business. It wasn't really anything to film. But I have been working on my dark circles under and over my eyes, and I just got done doing my skincare routine. So I dermaplanned, meaning I shaved my face, and then I went in with the Verse Ida Sight Dark Mark Gel. It's something that they sent me in PR, but I've been using it for quite a while, and it is so bomb. I don't think they sell it anymore because they have recently sent me a care package, a PR package, and it wasn't in there. They have a new brightener, but I use this for my under eye circles. And a lot of people have noticed that my dark circles have lightened up, but the reason why is because I've been using that. I also use a daily retinol by Kiehl's. Let me show you what I use. Let me turn the light back on. I also use a daily retinol, and this is by Kiehl's. It looks like this, and it is the Kiehl's Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Microdose Serum. I use this for my hyperpigmentation dark marks too. You guys know that I have dry skin, and I've been using two moisturizers. So I use the Clinique Moisturizer Surge, and I just started using, this was in a PR package, is by You to the People. It is a superfood air whipped moisture cream. It has kale, spinach, hyaluronic acid. I've been liking this too. I really like this. And I have a new facial spray by Nature's Love. It's the Hydrating Facial Mist, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera. I used to use this, and I still do. I have a backup, but I want to try something new, so I've been using this. As y'all can see, the TV is on the floor. We're waiting on the guy to come and put it up. Normally, Zach does put up the TVs, but the TVs that we have are really big now, and he just feels more comfortable if someone comes in and put it up. So it should be up in the next few days. But yeah, that's what I've been using on my skincare. I know I get a lot of questions about that, and my skin is looking pretty good. So I'm excited about that. I have a package coming from Amazon that just arrived. I'm going to go and get. I bought a pillow topper for our bed. And let me tell you, when it comes to like my sleeping, I like to sleep on and in nothing but the best. So I'm going to get that in a few minutes and then start cooking. Okay, so I went and I got my package. I also got some water that I ordered too, and I put them in my wagon. I'm always asked where this wagon is from. I got this wagon from Walmart, and I got it from the Walmart in DC, and it was the Walmart at Georgia Avenue. And it was about $50, I say, but it comes in handy because this package plus that water, I wasn't gonna be able to do it. It's like an hour later. We did have dinner. This is the leftovers. I cooked fried pork chops. We had rice and green beans. I actually made pork chop sandwich. Yeah. So this is the leftovers. I still have to put it up. But I did clean up everything. I just have to put up the food. I try to leave the food out until like 8:30. So just to make sure everybody, had enough, and if they want to eat extra, then they can. because we be having a lot of leftovers. But everything is clean, so that's a good thing. So what I bought from Amazon, it is a king size mattress topper, and I'm going to show you girls on what it looks like on my bed. But I have to tear this package open, but I did want to let you guys know that it's king size. Those are the measurements, and then this is the company, and it's a mattress topper. So this is what it looks like out of the package. Those are my sheets that I have out. I just want to see which one is going to fit best with this pillow top. So we'll see. I'm just waiting on Zach because he's going to help me put this on. But this is what it looks like out of the package. Well, not out of the package, out of the box. So this is what our bed look like now. We have a king size bed, and I'm just going to take all this stuff off, and Zach and I were going to put the new pillow top on the bed. Do that side. Pull it up so. Hey girls, so today is Thursday, the next day, and I am cooking chicken flautas, and I needed some more tortillas, so I did order them from DoorDash, and they didn't bring them to my door, so I have to go get them. So I requested for them to bring it to the door, but sometimes the concierge, like, he don't let them back. So it is what it is. I can go and get it. It's no problem. We just stay really far from the concierge. It is a walk. So yeah. But I can show you guys our place. It's really nice. I'll show it to you once I get out in the comment area. So I'm about to walk past the gym. This is the women's restroom. This is the gym. So need to be in there. And I also need to check the mail. I didn't have nothing in the mailbox. I don't know why I even check, because everything comes to my email. I got the bag. I don't know what's wrong with like the DMV area and not, you know, you have to pay for bags, or they don't have plastic bags, and then they say, oh, I'm trying to, they trying to like, save on plastic or keep it clean. And I'm like, have you been to DC? How dirty it is? How dirty it is in PG? Like, y'all ain't keeping nothing clean. There ain't no reason why we shouldn't have plastic bags, but it is what it is. So I ordered this mirror from Amazon, and I was leaving and something told me to check my phone. And so the Amazon guy, he left it outside of our package room. So I had to come back in and get the package and bring it in. It's a mirror, I'm about to open it. So this is the wrong mirror. It's the wrong size and the wrong color. It was supposed to be gold like this mirror over here, but it's supposed to be a bigger version of this. Which I am just going to take it back, because this mirror is, I just don't like the quality. It's like really like flimsy, like no. So they're gonna come back and get it on Sunday between 1 and 8, which those are crazy hours. But yeah, it's a no for me. I'm just gonna go to, I think I'm just gonna have to go into a store to pick out a mirror, because I'm looking for like a really, really big oversized mirror. Okay, so I put it back in the box, and I just have to tape it so they can come and pick it up on Sunday. But I knew it wasn't the right mirror when I saw it, because I'm like, it's supposed to be bigger than this. But I don't even like the quality. I feel like this whole vlog has been disappointments, but we will try again and see what we come up with. I was looking for like I'm looking for so many pieces. Like, when you are decorating, it takes so much out of you, and it takes a long time to find like what you're really looking for. This mirror is not. I just don't like the quality of it. So I got to go to my regular stores. I was just trying to be lazy, order off of Amazon. It just wasn't happening, because I hardly ever get anything from Amazon. So not like, you know, furniture. But this is the end of the vlog. I want to thank you girls for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace and blessings. Bye.